Hello everyone, and welcome to my grind spot. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick overview of how to get started and what you're going to get once you're registered. So as you can see, I'm on mygrindspot.com. Currently, there's not much content on the main site. I just finished building all of the technology and released this in beta, but you'll see content, tutorials, and things like that coming very soon. And there's going to be a forum and everything here where you can ask questions. But for the next few days, you have the two options. You can see a GrindSpot demo, and you can get started for free. So when you click the see a demo, you'll be able to see the site. This is how a GrindSpot looks as a default. And so there's a background image. There's plain text as the site title, and then the site tagline. There is very easy to use navigation menus, and they pop out. And you can upload your music, connect with your Facebook, etc., etc. So you can, once you create your grind spot, it's going to look exactly like this. And then you'll come back in and make modifications to your content. So let's go ahead and start the process. We'll click the Get Started for Free button, and we'll give a username. And use the Give Me a Site option. And click Next. And so now you'll set your site domain. You're going to have a .mygrindspot.com URL. So this may be your artist name or your company name or something like that. So I'll just put... So this is going to resolve in acmecompany.mygrindspot.com. Okay, and I'll go ahead and give a site title. Do we want to allow search engines to index the site? We'll say yes. And would you like to upgrade the site to Pro? You can just click the Not Now. I encourage you to test it out first, use it, and make sure that it's what you want. And then after that, when you'll be able to upgrade only if you need additional tools. But for a lot of people, the free for life plan will give you pretty much everything that you need to build your site, and maybe even keep it going for a while. But there's additional tools that comes in the upgrade, and I'll show you what some of those are once we get signed up. So I'll go ahead and click the sign up link. Okay, and now we have the congratulations. So you can, and I just received the email, and I'll click that, and I'll show you this email over here. So here we are. Okay, so to activate the blog, please click the following link. Now that this step is going to confirm your email address. And so now, one moment. Okay, so here is the email address containing the details on how to get signed in. And so as you can see, you can log into your administrator account with the following information. Test person is the username, and here's the login address. So you click this login address and take your username, and your password, and log in. Once you're signed in, you'll see the toolbar wizard. Here's your button to upgrade, the Pro Upgrade button. Over here on the left, under the dashboard column, you'll see video tutorials. These video tutorials are going to teach you everything that you need to know about how to use WordPress, the WordPress content management system. And so you can click any of the videos and they will show you exactly how to administrate.
Sidebar of your dashboard, and then click Add New.
And so
we cover many of the different elements of post creation in other tutorials. So for this tutorial, we will
Okay. Now, you'll see that there is dummy content in here. You can come in and delete this content, or, oh, well, let me show you the front. So you see that it looks exactly like the demo, only it's got your company name up here. You'll come in and begin adjusting this stuff. So on every page that you're on, in your toolbar, you'll see where it says either edit page, or if you're on a post, it'll say edit post. And so if you wanted to edit this home page right here, I'll just click the edit page, and you'll see that I'm using a short code for showing the slider. This is the slider short code right here. These are all of the slides. And then right here, I'm using a short code for pulling the 3 most recent posts from the category featured content and to have a large image. So that's what all of this is, these 3 blocks down here. So we can remove any of this. For example, I can just take this away. And I can say, update. And refresh. And you'll see all of that go away. Nothing is here but hello world. Now I'll go ahead and put it back. And up. So over here you can see the template. You've got different templates. The default has a sidebar. And then the designer page has no sidebar or page title. The default template has a sidebar. So that default template is being used on the pages and the posts inside of the site. You can delete any of the dummy content that's in here, any of the test content. It's only for testing purposes to help you get set up. If you go under posts, any of the posts that are here, you can click edit. And you can make any edits that you want. If you want to upload music, you can just use the MP3 player shortcode. You click this, it'll pop that in there. And then you can just replace, you can upload your song. So hit the add media, and I'll just upload a song here. I'm just going to drag and drop it into here. You see it upload. And once it finishes, here is the URL. I'll copy that and just close this out and put this URL right here. You must keep the quotes. Hit update. And now we'll have 2 audio players on this particular page. Here it is. So everything, you've got widgets, menus, unlimited pages and posts. Your theme options will give you your panel where you can change your background image, your colors, your logo style. If you want an image for your logo, you simply hit the check box and upload your logo. You can set other color and sizing here. And then if you do know CSS, you can click the advanced settings and add your own CSS. For your menus, everything is drag and drop for ordering, and you easily add items to your menu. And you can delete these and rearrange them, whatever you want to do. And your widgets, these go in your sidebar and in your footer. And so here they are over here. You just drag and drop a widget into an area and it can be used. I will create more videos showing exactly how to do everything in here. And I'm also going to give you tons of code snippets and things like that for people that want to get a little more advanced and really begin modifying their GrindSpot. Thanks for watching. Sign up for free. If you have any questions, just contact me. Bye for now.